An item was selling for $72 and was reduced to 60. Find the percent decrease in price and round your answer to the nearest tenth. So from 72 to 60 is a decrease of 12. To set up these types of problems, you do the decrease or the change, sometimes it's talking about increase, over the original amount. And then we're going to solve for that percent. So in this problem, the decrease was 12, and it originally cost $72. So to solve for x, we're going to cross multiply and divide, and x should come out to 16.6 repeating, but it says to round to the nearest tenth. So if we were looking at the 2 decimal spots, we would have a 6 and a 6, which would round it up to 16.7. And that is a percent. In number 3, it says, a baseball team had 80 players show up for tryouts last year, and this year 96 showed up for tryouts. Find the percent increase from last year to this year. So originally, we would have last year's number, which was 80, and we're trying to figure out how much it increased. 96 from 80 is an increase of 16. So we're putting that change amount on the top, the original on the bottom, and then we're going to solve it for that percent. It increased by 16. It was originally 80, and we need to solve for x. And when you do that, you're going to cross multiply, and then you'll divide, and x will come out to 20. So our answer is 20%.